A basic luminous gel tutorial. Welcome to the BlingGirl Luminous gel tutorial. Let's get busy. First and foremost, a very special thank you goes out to our fabulous nail artist, Effie. Please contact Effie in the description to get your nails done. The video will guide you from start to finish. Step 1. Prep the nails with a drill and trimmer. It is a vital foundation step, makes the nails art last longer with a beautiful finish. Step 2. Place the tips of your choice, stick on with glue, shape the tips as you desire with the nail file. Step 3. Apply the glue on surface of the nail and dip the finger into acrylic powder 3 or 4 times. Step 4. File the nail again, shape it and smooth it. Step 5. Apply the primer once and gel overlay twice. Repeat if necessary. Now it is ready for the beautiful gels. Step 6. It is recommended to apply 3 to 4 coats of luminous gels for the best result. The gel is slightly translucent because it is necessary for the pigment to glow in the dark. With a solid color, the pigment would not be as bright. That is why we have to apply more layers of coats with the luminous gels. It's nail art time. Apply color on tip edges with the jelly stamper. Eight. Apply the top coat, cure it in the UV lights for the last time.